for people on a regular basis. And then I can make recommendations of what boats might fit you. And then we go out and we'll go boat shopping a little bit, or I can send you emails of boats available on the market and find out what we like and don't like, and then we narrow it down from there. Boat can be anywhere. Yeah. My whole job is to find you the best boat for the money.
You do new boats only, right?
I only use. I only do use. Yeah. See, so that's a benefit because I'm not stuck to only the boat lines I sell. I'm not stuck to only Wellcraft or only Starcraft or only Cabo. I have all the boats, all the used boats on the market available to me, and I'm very familiar with it. I've been to many factories. I've been doing this 15 years and very familiar with almost everything on the market.
So when you get a boat,
well, there is, you don't need a license or anything to purchase a boat like you do a car, but it is recommended that you get insurance so that way in case you sink or in case someone damages it or something happens. But yes, and especially if you get a loan for it, you will be required to get, the lien holder will require you to get insurance. All right, well, thank you very much.
Thank you.